I wonder if you have ever thought about this question. In another part of the world where we belong, it is very likely that you still exist like Ngoemu. But it is completely the benefactor. Since the fate is different, yes, this is the preview of Peaceful Nature that the director is going to talk about today. The story begins in 1954. At that time, a Princeton University graduate student named Al Fleet first proposed the idea of global power. He believed that the preconditions we live in are not unique. There are one or more new pre-illuminations separated from a certain pre-illumination in space. They all have the same name and resource conditions. The development trajectory is completely different. Life in this universe is 3.1 line, a similar type of overtime dog, and in another parallel universe. But he is a man with a wealth of thousands of cans. Rich man with both fame and fortune. Plus you come to a crossroads dog. You can choose to go to the right, or go to the parallel universe theory. No matter which direction you choose, the current universe will produce two different results. That is to say, each of us actually lives in a multiverse of countless universes, and everyone has complete hope. In the American science fiction movie The Night That Comes to Heart, the director and screenwriter spent more than a year setting up a maze story about a parallel universe. Many wise men claim that they have read it a dozen times or even dozens of times. I can fully understand the true meaning of it. At the very beginning of the film, Tian knew that she was pregnant. At this time, my friends happened to have a party at their home. Several people had a bitter conversation in the room. He even started studying with a quota of cats. Many people thought the beginning of this movie was very boring. But actually it was just 10 minutes before this. But hidden in the film is a major currency. For example, Hu Yin's wine glass has changed many times. When chatting, use ordinary tall and small cups. Wait until it's time to toast. But it became a cup for chasing stars far away. Theoretically, ordinary parallel universes should be completely independent and not related in any way. And this is not the beginning of the video. Be able to switch between parallel universes at will. The incense stem is designed here, with the effect of reducing fragrance and dryness. For fragrant dry, in quantum mechanics, it is often explained in terms of the properties of flutter. But here, we just have to take Spirit World geeks literally. The fragrant liver in the film is also the fragrant belly interference, the meaning of Xiangfu dry heat. Naturally, Tuixiangan does not interfere with each other, not mutually exclusive. This will reveal that there is no connection between parallel universes. Gezi develops independently. But in this video, this is due to the mysterious power of this understanding heart. It also resulted in the occurrence of Dexiangan in parallel universes. Instead, there is a liver flavoring effect, and caused the characters in each parallel universe to focus together. Since this has just happened, a series of terrible things will follow. But thankfully, through clever reasoning, God discovered the secret of the parallel world. So he decided to choose a relatively comfortable world between dawn to spend the next few decades of his life. So he brutally killed himself in another parallel world. Finally, after waking up, when we grow up, we reach the time and space where there is no humanity to trouble us. This may not be possible through parallel universe-related methods. It not only shows the audience the scientific theory of its operation, and it also reflects in particular the darkest and truest side of human nature. However, this parallel universe is still just a hypothesis of scientists and is not perfect yet. The discussion will come someday in the future, of course, when there is actually the ability to find enough evidence to prove the existence of parallel universes. Maybe everything about today's physics will.